Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are just gonna do a little bit of crafting. Not really much instruction. This is just a piece that I kind of came up with on the spur of the moment, and I just wanted to create it. So as you can see, I'm just taking some white paint and covering up this old painting that I had. It was a very mid-century modern feeling and vibe, but the execution wasn't quite there, and I never really took the time to fix it. So we're just gonna do something completely new on top of it. Now, what I will say is that this white paint was not enough. I think covering the entire thing in like a black paint and then going in with my white background would have been better, because in certain lights you can still see like the hot pink and yellows through the canvas, which is kind of fun, but not exactly what I was going for in the long run. Also, if you're planning on kind of covering up a paint canvas, you might want to consider using spray paint and just doing a complete coat in that first. But besides that, after I got my white background down, I just use a blow dryer to kind of help speed along the process. And then I'm going to use a theme of blues, silver, gold, and green. And I just hope you guys enjoy this process, enjoy the painting. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep the painting how it is now. So far it is up on my Facebook marketplace for sale, so if you're interested, please feel free to check out the link below. But if I don't get any bites on this soon, I think I'm going to paint over it again with a new idea. So if you're interested, definitely let a girl know in the comments. But if you'd love to see how I create a third painting on this same canvas, let me know below too. Alrighty, enjoy. this is the final piece. It's very different from anything I've done before. It's definitely more abstract than anything I've done before. I really liked the way that I felt while painting this. I just felt free and just kind of let the strokes do whatever they wanted to. Now, I'll definitely say it's not my favorite, but I do think it could be somebody's cup of tea, so that's why I'm going to keep it on the market for a little bit longer. I have been very late to getting this video up. I actually created this back in December, but you know, better late than never. So we'll see, but for now, she's going to stay kind of like this this abstract wintry piece. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a like, and also I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. We just keep creating and doing more lifestyle things here. And if you haven't already, comment down below, should I keep this piece the way that it is, or should I use this canvas for something new? Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Bye!